If you are writing chemistry in this upcoming 2026 UTME exam, pay attention to these two questions and understand how to solve them. Make sure to watch this video to the end because we have an offer that may be of great benefits to you. That being said, let's begin. Question 1. You are given this reaction. 2CO gas plus O2 gas gives 2CO2 gas. Given that, enthalpy change of CO is minus 110.4 mole, and the enthalpy change of CO2 is minus 393 kilojoules per mole. Calculate the enthalpy change for the reaction above. Option A minus 282.6 kilojoules. Option B plus 503.7 kilojoules. Option C minus 565.2 kilojoules. Option D plus 282.6 kilojoules. Solution. Let's quickly write out our parameters. We are given a reaction. 2CO gas plus O2 gas gives 2CO2 gas. We know the enthalpy of formation of CO is minus 110.4 kilojoules per mole, and the enthalpy of formation of CO2 is minus 393 kilojoules per mole. We want to calculate the energy change for the reaction. Now, let's recall the formula for calculating the enthalpy change of a reaction, which is delta H reaction equals sum of delta HF of products minus sum of delta HF of reactants. Note that each term is multiplied by the stoichiometric coefficient from the balanced equation. Moving on, let's identify the reactants and product with the coefficients alongside the enthalpy change expression. So from the balanced equation we have product 2 moles of CO2, which is expressed as 2 multiplied by delta HF of CO2. Reactants 2 moles of CO, which is expressed as 2 multiplied by delta HF of CO, and 1 mole of O2, which is expressed as 1 multiplied by delta HF of O2. Note that enthalpy of formation of O2 gas is 0 because it is an element in its standard state. Now let's put in all the parameters into the formula, and that will give us delta H reaction equals open bracket 2 times minus 393 close bracket minus open bracket 2 times minus 110.4 plus 0 close bracket. That is minus 786 minus open bracket minus 220.8 close bracket. Minus times minus equals to plus. So minus 786 plus 220.8 equals to minus 565.2 kilojoules. Therefore, the correct answer is option C, which is minus 565.2 kilojoules. I really hope you understand. Go over it again if it is not clear, and you can as well drop your questions in the comment section. Let's consider the second question for today. What is the valence shell electron configuration of the element with atomic number 17? Option A 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p2. Option B 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. Option C 2s2, 2p6. Option D 3s2, 3p5. This is a tricky question, and if you are not careful you can fall for it. Step 1. Identify the element with atomic number 17 if you can. In this case, it is chlorine. Now, this is important. Always remember that for a neutral atom like chlorine, atomic number is the same as the number of proton, and number of proton is also the same as number of electron present in that neutral atom. Meaning chlorine atom has a total of 17 electrons. Step 2. Let's write the full electronic configuration for chlorine, which is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. Note that the question says, what is the valence shell electron configuration, and not just electron configuration. Emphasis on valence shell. Now if we are to arrange the 17 electrons in chlorine using KLMN shell arrangement, That will be 287. And when you sum it up, that is, 2 plus 8 plus 7, you will have 17. The implication of this is that the valence electron, or the number of electrons in the outermost shell of chlorine, is 7. Now let's go back to the full electronic configuration we wrote earlier, which is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. When you consider the electronic configuration from the back, you will realize that 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. Therefore, the valence shell electronic configuration of the element with atomic number 17 is 3s2, 3p5, which is option D. If you want to score above 90 in JAMB Chemistry, this is for you. A lot of students are going into this exam unprepared, but in just 3 days, you can revise everything that actually matters. I'm hosting a 3-day intensive JAMB Chemistry revision class where I'll break down the entire syllabus, show you likely exam topics, and give you smart shortcuts to answer questions faster. You'll get complete syllabus summary, past question insights, fast solving techniques, and everything you need for last-minute success. It's happening on Monday 13th, Tuesday 14th, and Wednesday 15th. Time, 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. daily. Venue, WhatsApp, 100% online. Access fee is just 2,000 Naira only. Send chemistry class to 081002777030 on WhatsApp now to secure your spot. Limited slots available and class starts immediately. Don't miss this.